Do you want to go for a walk? Walkies, Freddie. Do you want to go walk?
Different colours.
Do you? Do you? Oh, it's Maddie. I know. Let's go for a walk into this view. Welcome to St Ives 2020. Look at that. Look at the wibbly wobbly roofs. I love it. All the little cottages.
We bought some coffee as well. Oh yeah, no.
Right, okay. Are you ready? Can you open that door, Matt, so we can see the view outside the door? Oh, yes. Oh, of a bin. That's where we're off to. Lovely. Oh, dear. BatmanDogs.com. You. Loving it. Here are the seagulls. We're at the seaside. Ew, where does that lead?
That leads up to the car park.
Up to the car park? What, where we're parked?
Yeah.
Ooh, and down we go. Tom Tiddlers.
What a name.
Tom Tiddlers, I know, they've got their towels hanging up and... Ooh, no one about. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so there won't be anybody about. Little street. Ooh, look. How lovely. Stained glass pasties. Oh, yes. Oh, empty for the minute. I wonder what time they open. Ooh, another one of these little secret passageways. Waterside gallery. Ooh, there's so many galleries, little galleries that we can go to this week.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, an altered book. I love that. Ooh, we're going to get some ideas as well. Oh, lovely. Oh, look at all these fab shops. Of course, later it's going to be crowded, so...
Dogs are wearing a mask.
Oh, is it a pet shop?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, we'll go in there and get something for our little Freddie later. What do you think, Freddie? It's lovely with no cars, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very quiet.
I know. Peaceful. Oh, another little art gallery. Oh, there'll be so many of these to show you all week. The light must be gorgeous here for the painters. Oh, another. Oh, look at this.
Crashing away.
Going round the corner. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, I love this. I love this. Freddie's on his lead now because there's a bit of a sheer drop into the sea. We'll find somewhere where he can go. Way, look at that, into the harbour.
You get the kayaking as well.
Oh, yeah, kayaking. You're going to do that later, Matt.
Yeah.
I'll get you on the video later, falling in.
Yeah, falling off the kayak.
I know. Do you know, brilliant for the video because it's not windy. Lovely grey sky. Welcome to a British seaside holiday. Listen that. Listen that to that. The sound of the sea.
I think it'd be great.
No. Well, Freddie. We saw the lifeboat out on a practice run.
Yeah,
That's where the lifeboat. That would be. Look at this for a place. Absolutely gorgeous. And then coming up to my favourite. Look at all these little cottages. Absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favourite places coming up here. Oh, dashing out in your joggers to see the view. I love that. Look, this is my favourite cottage. Isn't it gorgeous? Sometimes they sell plants from here. They might put them out later. Favourite cottage. Ah, here's where the plants are for sale. Oh, Matthew's gone on. Oh, look at the swing. Oh gosh, maybe this is my favourite cottage. Ew. Look at him, he loves it. He looks so excited. You're at the seaside, Freddie. Oh, don't swallow water like you did last year. Darling, there's a board in the back.
Oh yeah, they're both.
Yeah, don't throw it into the sea. 'Cause
Is it in the back?
it's in the back. 'Cause do you remember last time he swallowed cottage? Look.
Is that a guy's skill or not?
Look at the view these guys have got. Straight onto the harbour. Freddie is going to have a week of this, aren't you?